Welcome back to my tutorial, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make an exploded axle diagram, something like this one right here, and how you can make your model look really clean. It looks like a really clean drawing. So let's get to it. Let me show you how to do it. Let's not use this file. This file size is quite big. Let's go back to the model without the site model. It's just an example. So to do this, let me just go out. Change this back to perspective. Change this back to perspective view for now. Okay, so like in order to do this, just need to like, let's say, move this up by give it a distance. Give it a distance. Yep. So remember, like for these exploded axle diagrams, you will want to change the projection into parallel. So when you draw dotted lines to show like the exploded axle, like it aligns. Let me show you. So like it actually aligns from top to bottom. Oh, to do this, because like let's set a few that we want. Like this looks fine. Let's just save a few. Let's say exploded axle diagram. Let's give it a few. After having a few, so like we know like we won't lose this view. So like if we kind of move around, we can always go back to this diagram view. So to do this, let's select the stairs. Now let's do these stairs. Oh, and let's do the upper level as well. Let's go back here. Okay. All you need to do is use this command called make 2D. So you can double check if this is these are the things you want. For me personally, I always uncheck the hidden lines. So like in the drawings, it won't show stuff that are hidden. So this is okay actually. So let's click OK. Okay. So after it's done, if you go to top view and click CS and zoom in. So yeah, there we go. We have the line drawing right here. So like if we change this to black, so it actually looks like a clean set of drawing. So like let's do this shell right here, the reciprocal structure. Let's do it again. Make 2D. Okay, after that, let's just keep going. Let's just do this one as well. Make 2D. Okay, so we go back to top view. Wait. Have to go back this to top view. Okay. So as you can see, we have, if we export this out, we can actually make a exploded axle diagram. You can do this by just, let's say, you can select all these File and Export Selected. And you can give it a name like axle diagram 1. Okay. So you can always export this as a Adobe Illustrator or AutoCAD DWG file. Like it really depends like which software you want to further develop this exploded axle. For example, like line weights and other annotation. I usually do it in Illustrator. So yeah, that is how you make an exploded axle diagram, like this one right here. After exporting it out, what I mean by annotating it, you can actually make really cool annotations. For example, like these ones right here. Yeah, I'll see you next time.